For today's video is scoop na naman tayo. So ito na ang ating scoop order. So tara, open natin.
What is Hannah's
Ilong.
scoop number 1?
Okay, it's Hannah's scoop. So he had 2 scoops. Okay, let's do 2 scoop. Let's do it. Somebody, 1 scoop. 2 scoop. Oh my god, she get the legendary thing.
May panate bill.
Huh?
May panate bill. Bell.
Wala tay bell. Pobre man ta. Ikaw dato eh. So guys, dito natin nilagay ang mga nakuha nila. So first but not least, oh my gosh, she had, ano to? 3 squishy. Oh, magpili ka ng 3 squishy. Ayun. Ito guys is 3 squishy. Ito guys, may napili na ako 3 squishy. Okay, next is you have this. My gosh! Makuha mo ang isang tumbler. Mag-part 2 lang kami ngayon, guys. Hindi ma-fit. Oh, gunitan mo. Hawakan mo na lang. Next is, oh my god, it's so legendary things. So we have 2 lipstick. Bombale. First lipstick. Oh my gosh, where's all my lipstick? And second lipstick. Oh my goodness! Hapit na kami magbabay. Mag-part 2 lang kami. Kung hindi ito maubos.
From
Ano?
this.
3 ano? No! I'm gonna choose keychain. Kuha tayo keychain pero mag-part 2 muna.